Hello everyone, I'm Pranav. My USN is 1VE20CA015, and in this video we'll be talking about tags in HTML. So HTML tags are the keywords that define how the web browser will format and display the content. So basically with the help of tags, the web browser can distinguish between the HTML content and the simple content. In a HTML tag, there are mainly three parts, that is your opening tag, the content, and the closing tag. So the content comes in between the opening and closing tag. As you can see in the next line, all HTML tags must be enclosed within the angular braces, and there are many tags in HTML, and each of them performs different tasks. And if you have used the open tag as shown below, like this, then you must close it, and there are few exceptions wherein you might not have to close it in certain tags. So structural tags define the whole structure of the HTML code, and HTML and in between these two tags the main HTML code is written, and the head and title are also the tags in between which the header and the title file sit in, or the content sit in, where you code your head and your title content. Coming to sample structure of your website, so this is how the main basic structure looks. So I'll be later showing it to you in the VS Code, where you can see the structure. This is your HTML open tag, and this is the close tag. This is your head tag, which says John Q public search web page. So this is your title page, which comes in the starting of the page, and in the body you can give your content depending on what you want to display in your website. So header tags. Header tags are used for marking sections and subsections in a document. So these are the type of header tags. You can see it is H1 to H6, and all tags generally are in lowercase. So it starts and ends with lowercase, and once the tag is opened, the tag is closed. So this depiction or the content inside it, which is now generally telling what the output would look like. So H1 tag would generally be a giant sized and bold content. H2 will be large and bold, which will be uh, lesser in size compared to the giant sized, and so on. So in the last, we come to tiny and bold in H6. So this is how the output would look like comparatively. So H1 would be in this size, H2 in this, and so on until H6. So other tags other than header tags are your breaking lines and paragraphs. So the P tag, that is your paragraph tag, uh, is where you write the content in between these two tags, and the lines in between each paragraph are separated. So whenever you write the content, it comes out as a paragraph. So and your break tag is used when the webmaster wants a carriage return. That is, it doesn't want a blank line to follow. So it breaks one para to another para, and it prints the output in the very next line. So text formatting tags. So some of the formatting tags in HTML that allow you to customize your text or your content are italics, I, and your B. Okay, there is error over here, but then I and B and PRE is for pre-formatted text, wherein the text you write, it will be printed in the same format in your HTML website. We'll be seeing that later in our demo. And strong is for this kind of output result. As you can see, this is the tag and this is the result on your right hand side. Address for this kind of font or something, I guess. Cite for citations. Code for source code. Font modifications. So font tag is used to customize your font of the text that you want or the content that you want in between these two tags, and this is how it is defined. So in between these two tags, the size is defined for the content, and it is defined as size 7 for big and size 1 for small. So as you can see, this will how the output will look like. and the color will be uh, okay, sorry, and the color will be defined like font color red. So this will be your output in this case. Lists and unordered lists. So your UL tag is used for unordered lists. That is, you can specify your unordered list such as item 1, 2, 3, and 4, and it might not be ordered. So once you define the unordered list tag, and inside that you just specify each and every item as your list element. So it will be printed out as this. And this tag does not have an end tag. So as you can see, this is an open tag, open and close. So continuing with the topic unordered lists. So you have your unordered list attributes such as disk, circle, or square that can be used for your list to be specified like pointed. So it can be as a disk, as a circle, or as a square. So this can also be as numbers or lowercase alphabets, higher case alphabets, or your normal numbers or your Roman numbers. Coming to links. So links are also a type of tag where you can put in your links to other kind of links to your website, and you can import your links using the tag A and href. Href is the reference link that put that allows you to import your link and display it on your website. So these are your basic links, and your interdocumented links are such. And continuing to graphics. You have tags such as you can add in images, or you can add in different kind of fonts, or you can also import GIF files. So here we can see an example where a GIF file is imported, and the source or the path of the GIF file is specified on the local system or your website, and the image is sourced from there. So this can also further be edited, such as you can align your image on to the left hand side or to the right hand side on the web page based on your liking. And you can, as you can see, it is set to align top, align middle, and align bottom. So these are some of the functionalities that can be mentioned inside your tag of your graphics tag. So this is also a continuing example of the same. So now let us go to the code part. So right now I'm using VS Code, and with this code you will be able to understand how the tags work in HTML, and we'll launch it on the server. So basically this will be your basic structure of your HTML structure, and here you can see the HTML start tag and your end tag, and in your head tag we specify the title, and in your body tag we specify the bi, mark, break, and all these tags. So coming to running this file. So this is how your web page would look once the file is run. You can see that the code specifies, such as the white part is marked. Your mark tag is used to mark the content that is the text that is white. So you can see in your website that it is marked or it is highlighted. So this is for bold, that is your B tag, you can see, and I is for italics, that you can uh, that we can see it over here. It is in italics. So this the party is your superscript that is defined as SUP in your HTML code, SUP, and a break tag is used. So a break tag doesn't require any closing to it, so it is an open tag. And the next tag we are using is our image tag. wherein we are sourcing the image from our local system. That is, we have taken this image and placed it in the same folder as our HTML file, and we have named it as img.jpg, and from this we import the image and we title it as Heisenberg. So here the width is defined and the height is defined, to which the image is displayed in your website like this. So your title is visible once you hover on the image, and the other tag that we have used is our paragraph tag, and we have used the and copy. So and copy is giving you an output symbol of this. So basically, this is it with our representation of tags. Hope you guys like the video. That's it for today. Thank you.